Hey, Ken folks, what's up? Look, your girl Sweet Angel here. Now today, your girl, it's been so long since I've done some DIY stuff, like truly DIY stuff. So today I'm going to do it. I went everywhere trying to find me an inexpensive freaking wreath for my door for fall. I couldn't find it. So I have an old kind of spring-like wreath that I had, and I just decided to pick up some flowers, and I did that at the Dollar Tree. And girl, the Dollar Tree is tripping. They're tripping. I got these little bitty freaking pieces. It says $1.25 on there. No, she said, oh, they're now $1.75. I'm through with Dollar Tree. Might as well run to Walmart, do it right, because you probably can get this for 79 cents at Walmart. So I'm through with the Dollar Tree, but I'm going to make my wreath today. So I got those little spraggles over there, and I have this wreath right here that I've had for a long time that's pretty much faded out. I'm just going to insert these out throughout the whole little process and make it a whole beautiful wreath. So why don't you join me, okay?
She's been running all day long, carrying the world, trying to stay strong. But even queens need time to breathe, to pour back love, set her spirit free. Light a candle, let the worries fade, soft music playing, peace is made. No more rushing, no more fight. It's her moment, it's her night. Unwind now, let the world wait. Treat yourself, it's never too late. Nightly TLC routine, your soul deserves the best. Relax, recharge, reset in your day right. Let your heart rest. But love starts within. That's what it's for. Take off the weight, lay your crown down, find your smile. No need to drown. Close your eyes, breathe in deep. Whisper dreams you long to chase. Every woman shines when she's whole. Self-love is the key to her soul. Unwind, let the world wait. Treat yourself, it's never too late. Nightly TLC routine, your soul deserves the best. Relax, recharge, reset in your day right. Let your heart rest. So here's to you, the love you give. Take time to feel, take time to live. Every queen deserves her life, so go ahead, unwind tonight. Oh, yeah. She's been running all day long, carrying the world, trying to stay strong. But even queens need time to breathe, to pour back love, set her spirit free.